smoking a big bone. All that ganja covered with oil. Using my tweezer, I got pot in the freezer. Made in a pipe out of aluminum foil. Wasted away in marijuana veil. Sorry. Searching for pinch my nipples. Pinch my nipples. Woo! Yeah, but I know. It's always my fault. We'll do it. Don't know the reason. Stay your own season. How you doing? Good friend who's tattooed.
Okay, well, look at him.
But it's your beauty. And Mexican cutie. And right down here I haven't a clue. Come on! You guys ready? Let's go! Wasting away in Margaritaville. Yes, I am, yes, I am. Searching for my roast sugar roll. Where's this goddamn song? Come on! Some people claim that there's a one thing. Yeah, but I know it's all my fault. Instrumental refrain.
I mean, I got the whole thing so far.
Any parrot heads here tonight or what? Where's all the parrot heads at?
What the fuck?
That's shit.
What's a parrot head?
We're gonna change this last verse up a little bit and drive you all crazy.
He should have been an actor or something.
Blew out my flat top. Blew out my flat top. Had some trash I had hit at home.
What's he saying?
Put it into a blender. Woo! And soon it will render. These little fudge brownies that help me get stoned. Yeah! Wasting away again in Margaritaville. Making me sing Margaritaville, I don't know. Searching for my love shaker song.
Where's the song? Where's the goddamn song?
Come on! Some people claim I don't smoke, man.
I don't smoke.
Yeah, but I know it's all his fault.
Oh,
This guy right here. This guy.
it's Steve.
Some people claim that there's a world on the planet. Yeah, but I know. Well, is it? Come on. Come on, let's go, Parrot Heads Up. Let's give a big round of applause for Seashell. Let's keep it going.
And that's Rob doing a fantastic job with the Margaritaville. The marijuana.